How you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So today I'm making a custom mud guard for my Thunder 2, and as you can see, it's bolted back there, and this is how it looks. I haven't this is my second one that I'm making right now because I wanted to wrap this a bit better. This is the one that's finished. This is a finished version of this, right? And all it does is it bolts back here with these two bolts inside this area, so you don't have to really drill any hole on your electric scooter. And these things cost me about 26 bucks, and I just cut them. I cut right here, bended it, and then lined up the hole to drill on, and then attached the two bolts. As you can see, this thing is pretty strong on here. It's pretty strong. So just in case if you're looking for an alternative for a mud guard, I would recommend the same thing.